Hi, and welcome to Home Decor 101. If this is your first time here, I am so happy. Welcome, and if you've been here before, welcome back. Hi friends, and welcome to June, a month that ushers in the warmth and vibrancy of summer, filling our homes with light and inspiration. As we embrace the longer days and sometimes balmy evenings, June offers the perfect opportunity to refresh and revitalize our living spaces. This month is not only marked by the official start of summer, but also by celebrations like Father's Day and, of course, the joy of graduations, making it a time for family gatherings and creating cherished memories. In this video, Rooms to Love This June, we'll explore creative ways to really infuse your home with the essence of the season. I hope that the pictures shown in this video really move you to do something different in your home, whether it's maybe a beautiful bouquet of flowers or even putting some throw pillows on your sofa. If you already have pillows on your sofa, just grab some new pillow covers for them. Just something to really brighten up your space. It's about incorporating fresh, bright colors and breezy textiles to adding elements that really celebrate the outdoor beauty just beyond our doors. Don't forget to spend a little time outside, whether it's in your front yard, your backyard, or just taking a nice walk. Let's get ready to welcome the energy and excitement of June. Once again, friends, I really appreciate you watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel. It will help me out. And if you want to see more, choose one of these videos right here. It's been great taking the time to hang with you today. I'll see you in the next one.